we're making a pancake. And not instead of a pancake, a chocolate pancake instead. We start for what's the ingredient? Is it what? We have a chocolate, baking powder. This is chocolate. This is vanilla. And the flour, white milk, sugar, oil, a little salt. Hi guys, we're making our pancake making. First, this. And then we put the what it looks like. Oh, vanilla powder. Oh. Baking powder. It says in our bag right here. Even this in English. Oh, how? Like this? This? Oh!
Good job. Good job, Simo.
The milk.
Who is it?
Sugar in this. Whoa! Oh my goodness! Whoa! Like this? Why is it taking so long? Like this! I do like this because it's like it makes it fast. I mean speed. That's enough. I want the pancake to be like this. This could give me a lot of money. If everybody gives me a lot of money, I will be rich. Will everybody be happy about this pancake? It's gonna be super nice day with this pancake. Am I supposed to be a chef? Oh, you need this? This is for coffee? Yes or no? Even for hot bits?
Sure. Look, guys.
Look, guys. I have the pancake. Oh my goodness. Come on.
Careful. Good job.
Here it is. How do you do this?
Careful.
How?
You can do it.
Yeah. Do you like it? How? Perfect. That's how you eat it, guys. eat, and also just eat this pancake and make it by your mom. What?